Photovoltaics and microgrids through distribution networks. A microgrid is defined as a series of electrical loads, elements of generated power supply and storage elements that, connected to the electric grid by means of a single point of connection, are all linked through a strategy that manages both the flow of energy within the grid as well as the interchange of power with the main supply grid. First, a microgrid is an integration platform for local generation, storage and demand, all placed within a local distribution grid. Local generation is typically found at low voltage levels, and it is generally known as microgeneration due to its low scale. Photovoltaic systems are frequently integrated into microgrids, which are controlled local electricity distribution networks that serve both electricity consumers and renewable energy producers. A microgrid, and it was seen that there are four main characteristics that must be present in every microgrid. A microgrid is an integration platform for distributed generation and loads. It can work either in grid-connected or islanded mode. It is characterized by active operation, and it can be found in multiple scales. Then, the electrical power grid layers and the potential benefits that microgrids can provide to both the main grid and consumers were identified. Among these benefits, higher resiliency, efficiency, and modularity were found. From fundamental definitions to modeling and control of AC and DC microgrids to the use of adaptive protection in microgrids, this course covers a wide range of topics related to DC and AC microgrids. The study will help gain knowledge of a number of topics pertaining to microgrid implementation and technology, including markets, distribution network types, smart grid and virtual power plants, control strategies, and componentry. Among the components, the power electronics interface operation and control receive particular attention. The study will shed light on the DC microgrids' benefits and drawbacks. Introduction. The progression of new technologies is not just one of the factors prompting countries to pursue greener energy supply solutions. Other relevant factors include the increasing energy demands, especially in developing countries like China and India, the heightened environmental awareness, and the dwindling reserves of conventional fossil fuels. These factors have incited a move towards sustainable technologies that utilize renewable energy sources such as wind and solar irradiation. Nevertheless, due to the irregular and uncontrollable nature of renewable energy sources, their incorporation into power systems remains a sizable challenge. Conclusion. First, we'll examine some fundamental ideas regarding the operation of conventional power systems. The primary control, also known as local control, is implemented locally in a centralized scheme, while the secondary control, also known as internal microgrid control, is implemented centrally. The microgrid central controller is responsible for gathering information about the distributed generating unit's operations, such as active and reactive power data. The microgrid then uses the communication link to send updated active and reactive power setpoints to all local controllers, such as the controllers of the energy storage units and distributed generators, based on the microgrid specifications. Internal microgrid control makes the decisions regarding how the distributed generators should operate in the photovoltaic microgrids. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International To watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine,